Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn in how to book hotel in trip.com. So the first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser and then you just have to search for trip.com. Okay, so just tap out right here trip.com and then you will be directed to this website. So now that you're here, all you have to do is to sign up for an account or to log into your account. So you see this profile at the top right of your screen. So simply click on this one. And then you'll be able to see here the sign up options. You just have to sign up using your Google or email. Okay, so now that you're here, as you can see, we have this hotels and homes. We have flights, trains, cars, attractions, and tours. We also had the flight plus hotel. So here, I'm just going to select the hotels and homes. Then after that, you just have to type out right here your destination. So like the city, the airport, the region, the landmark, or the property name. So for example, our destination would be Japan. All right. And then after that, right here, you just have to select your checked-in date and then your checked-out date. So for example, from October 20 to October 25. Right, and then here you have to input the details of the rooms and the number of the guests. Okay, so just going to select one room, and then for the number of adults, only one, and then click on done after that. Okay, so the next thing that you're going to do is to select the search option. Then just wait for a couple of seconds and you'd be able to see here now different hotels that you can book. And right here on the filter section, you can actually select if what would be the result that will appear in this section. So for example, you would like to be specific, like breakfast is included, hotel, or the hotel has a pool. All right, and then you can also click on the show more to see more popular filters for that specific place. All right, okay, so right here as well you have your budget range and also select the price per room per night. So you just have to go here and then you also have the price per room per night, included the taxes and fees. We also have the total stay, so you just have to select your choice. Okay, so for the amount or the rate, for example, we want to spend $40 to $70 only, right? And then we have the result right here. Then we can also include the star rating. So if you want the 4-star hotel or 5-star hotel, so you just have to check the box right here. And then you can also include here the guest rating, the location, and then of course the property type should be hotels. Okay. Then we also have here the room facilities and services. So of course we want air conditioning, and then we also have here open and renovation time, the bed type, the room features. Okay, so after selecting all of the filters that you want to include, you can now go here at the right side. So for example, we want this hotel. So to see the full details of this hotel, just have to simply click on the name. That's right, and then just wait for a couple of seconds. So you have here now the images of this hotel. Okay, and then we have here the highlights. So this hotel has a free parking, sparkling clean, lots to do, and of course it is an ideal location. Then you have here the rating. All right, and then of course the amenities of the hotel, and then you have here the property description as well. So of course they also have their phone number as well as their email. Okay, so once you want to get this room, just simply click on the select rooms option, right? And then here you have the type of rooms that you can choose. Okay, so for example, we want this one, so simply click on the reserve. right? And then just wait for a couple of seconds. Then right here, of course, you have the input, the information of the guest. So of course, the guest names must match the valid ID, which will be used at checked in. So you have to take note of that. So for the first name, as you can see, we have a note here that you can only use English letters only. So you just have to tap it right here. For example, coin. Okay, so that would be our first name, and then for the last name, and then for our phone number. Okay, 9765345519. And then here, if you have a special request, so this one is optional. And then the property will do its best, but cannot guarantee to fulfill all requests. Okay, so here, if you would like to have a room elevator proximity, so near the elevator or away from the elevator, then I just have to select any of this. Okay, and then here we have the available for this booking. So if you have a promo code, you can also select or enter that right here. And then of course, how would you like to pay? So you just have to choose your payment method. So we have credit or debit card. And then we also have other payment methods like pay on next page. So we have Apple Pay, PayPal, Google Pay, and gift card. So after that, you just have to enter right here the bank information. Okay, so the bank card number, the card holder name, and then the expiration date, then the CVV or CVC. Then after that, just have to click on the final step option. And then right here, you have the payment or the total information. All right. So we have here the total amount that you have to pay. And then here, you also have the cancellation policy. So we have free cancellation before 11:59 p.m. on October 17, 2025. Okay, so for the cancellation fees after 11:59, so you have that right here. Okay, so after that, you just have to click on the final step, and then you just have to make sure that the email that you are using here is active, because you will receive your booking confirmation in your email. So after finishing the final step, you just have to check your email and wait for the booking confirmation. Again, when booking a hotel on trip.com website, make sure it is near the places you plan to visit or has easy access to public transportation. And then look at the reviews and ratings from the other travelers to know if the hotel delivers what it promises. And then, of course, you have to compare the room prices and amenities such as Wi Fi, breakfast, parking, or air conditioning to ensure you're getting good value for your money. So, that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.